ketchup.
Oh, babe, you taking the trash out? What is this woman doing? She says she's taking the trash out. Charlie, what are you? Charlie, what are you doing? Charlie, what are you doing?
I'm taking out the trash.
We are not throwing out the Cricut machine. Why are you throwing this out? Why are you throwing out the Cricut?
We don't need it anymore.
We don't need it?
No.
Charlie, why don't we need it?
You know why? We have our DTF transfers. I haven't even touched this Cricut in over 6 months. We don't need it. Right along with the old pizza boxes and everything. We don't need it. Ugh. Bye-bye, Cricut forever.
Subscribe. So you was really about to throw away that damn Cricut machine?
I was.
You know how much money we spent on that thing?
You know how much money it made us, but you know how much space it's taking up in my office? I don't need it. I'm never gonna use it. You're never gonna use it. And everybody will never need a Cricut anymore. So I can put like nice pictures down here, but since Straight Out of Content said we have to keep it, I'll keep it. Maybe I'll give it to my Theo Beast.
Oh yeah.
Shout out to Killin' Every Day. Be sure to subscribe to him. You no longer need a Cricut. We have, if you don't know, direct-to-film transfers. Full color direct-to-film transfers. Let's go ahead and take a look at some. We don't have any. Do we have any?
By the way, make sure you subscribe. We got one right here. And this one will actually show a defect of the things that whenever you wanted to touch on, touching up. Remember how we said we touch up your image? So like we can talk about this one. We can use this one as an example. We can use your Takis. See, this is the size of our competitors' gang sheets. And shout out to this guy right here because he always does these cool images. This is the size of our gang sheets. Our competitor, ours. Our competitor, ours.
That's funny.
It's the truth though.
It is true. So we do sell our DTF gang sheet. If you don't know what a gang sheet is, it's where you can put multiple images on one sheet with multiple sizes. So other competitors, you're only allowed to put the same image over and over and over and over on a sheet, but it's never this big. So this is our gang sheet. We sell them at 50.
No, you're about to mess up.
I'm thinking about our
sublimation.
Yeah, I'm thinking about sublimation.
Okay.
So these are our sheets at $19.99 for one sheet. Look how big this sheet is. Why are they slowing like that?
Who are you in front of our house? Okay.
You're like, I heard I was gonna throw away a Cricut machine.
Yeah, exactly.
So this is our sublimation. I'm sorry, this is our direct-to-film transfers. We have, this is one of our customers. We had to reprint this. Actually, if you look very closely, it was exported incorrectly. So it came in a little pixelated. Do you see that?
Mm-hmm.
And the file that he sent us was a perfect AI file, and it was perfectly vectored. Everything was perfect on this file. The importance of exporting will keep your images at higher resolution. We have a video coming out on the steps on how to export correctly. So just stay tuned. A few days, we should have that available. But with our DTF transfers, there is no weeding. like with the Cricut you have weeding. There's no tools involved because with Cricut, you need all the tools. You need the Cricut mats. You need, what else do we need?
The Cricut software.
Cricut software. There's so many things that goes into using your Cricut. Tape. It's so many things.
And not just Cricut, this goes for Silhouette or any vinyl cutter machine.
Vinyl cutter machine, yes, Silhouette, Cricut. We're not familiar with those, Cameo or anything like that. Cricut is what we use. You can get rid of all your issues, all of your software needed, all of your tools needed with just an order of a DTF. The only thing you would do is just cut it out. Can you see this here?
Yeah.
You would just cut out your image and press. Here we go. We would just cut out this beautiful unicorn, press, cut out. With weeding, as you all know, Cricut, you would have to go here and weed, weed, weed. Also with Cricut, you can't create these things. That is key importance. Yeah. You cannot create full color transfers with Cricut. It's vinyl. You would have to do layering. If you look here, we would have to do a layer of purple, put the yellow on top, and this would probably have to be a dark transfer paper if we wanted to create this. So this is 3 different steps on top of weeding each one of these things out, on top of not being able to have this type of texture. Here, this is, every color is a different vinyl, a different part of layering. So this will just take forever. I've been there, done that. Hands cramped up. I was 12 hours straight of weeding because I had a big order. It wasn't worth it. DTF, if you have a big order, you can just play. This could probably do about 4 adult t-shirts on one 22 by 24. So if you can kind of think about, like, how many t-shirts can I get? 4 adults. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that will help you fill orders pretty fast, pretty quickly, and pretty easy. All you do is we print, you press. We print, you press. $19.99 for 22 by 24 direct to film sheet. You no longer need a Cricut. You no longer need to weed, like I was saying. And the only thing you need is a heat press. So this is a heat press that we have here. And if you visit our website, we do have startup equipment that you're able to purchase with Apple Pay. Not Apple Pay, Afterpay. With Afterpay. So if you're not able to make that payment up front, you can just make it in 4 installations?
Yeah.
Or 3. 4 installations. So go ahead and check on our hardware on our website to look up any heat presses if you might need a heat press.
Yep. And then the stickers are also coming. I'm doing that right now on the website.
We have our...
Oh, you know what? Let's go ahead and film that video. Put these stickers on our cars. We'll do that next. That'll be
okay, this is our decal stickers. We are releasing them this week. We don't have the prices yet, but please stay tuned.
No, we do have the prices. I just have to put them on the website.
We don't have them we don't have the prices on the website. That's
yeah,
not
we
having
have the prices. I figured out the prices.
Well, we're not saying them now until they're live on the website. Jesus!
You see that? Y'all see that? I know y'all see it. I know y'all stop. Stop. It's always...
Guys, I'm trying to talk.
Listen, I'm strapped. Daddy's strapped. You know what I'm saying? So, Eddie, if you want that work, I got that work. You know what I'm saying?
He loves his Father's Day gift.
Daddy's strapped.
Stop, it's dangerous.
I know, that's what I'm saying. So I'm strapped. So this way I gotta protect myself. I live in Texas, so I gotta protect myself at all times. So you may proceed. Go ahead. Stop. All right.
Okay, so moral of the story, you don't need a Cricut.
Mm-hmm.
And that's pretty much it.
Yeah, no, so we just want to let you guys know, make this silly video. We don't want to offend anybody. Here, you want to get me? Because Lord knows.
Lord knows what?
Lord knows. We don't want to offend anybody. We did a sublimation video, and although it went viral, I think it's like, you're doing too much. It does not need to be that high. It does not need to be that high. You just don't chop off my head. Get the waves. Get the waves. So, and the 2 gray hairs. So, Yeah, guys, we're not doing this to offend anybody or to make anybody actually throw away their Cricut machine. It does come into play for some, some quick things, right? Where you can just go to Michael's or somewhere, get some vinyl real quick and just make a quick shirt for somebody. We don't make merch for anybody. And because we actually print, we can just print this, go and get it, lay it down and, press it and make whatever the heck we want. You know what I mean? So obviously, if you live in like Montana or Idaho or Maine, I saw an email from Maine or Canada, obviously you might not have that luxury to order from us and then wait all that time. So if you have a vinyl machine, like my brother has one in California, I'm glad we're doing this video for him because he wanted to start a clothing line. Shout out to you, Justin. He wanted to start a clothing line for my nephew, Jalan, for his football team and start creating a brand around his son. And he has all the money to do it, but he bought a Cricut machine and a heat press, and he never even knew that this type of stuff that transfers existed. So, but he told me yesterday that they're just sitting on the floor because when he went to try to go do it and weed it and cut it and do all this other stuff, it was just too much work for him. It was just too much. So it really discouraged him. And we know from actually having the store, and we got our store bag. So that's a whole nother video. We got a whole new videos, guys, coming with the businesses that we're doing and stuff like that. Yeah, so maybe we'll ask you guys out there if you got it, if you want to start a business in the store. But anyway, so he was discouraged, and we've been there, right? We had FCD vinyl and apparel, and we had to transition into flash custom transfers. So we're not making this video to offend anybody. We are being silly. We do this for humor. Okay, all the thumbnail that you've seen to get you to click this video, please subscribe, please hit that like button, and please share this video so that they can see other content and all of our other products. We're not trying to sell you the transfer or nothing like that. We get a lot of comments of, don't knock vinyl, don't knock vinyl. We're not gonna get rid of our vinyl machine. We're just doing it just for humor and just to really get it out there that you guys need to know about these full color transfers. And even if you don't purchase our transfers, do whatever is best for your business. So you live in a certain area and a transfer company is near you, purchase from them, because I'm telling you, DTF transfers are a really good transfer. They're really gonna maximize your business. So we got a lot of sales, we do really well. If buying from us doesn't help your business, then don't buy from us. Buy from somebody who is closer to you, who you might save money on shipping, you might save money on time, you might even get a better rate than us, even though we are pretty much the cheapest in the country, and we soon will be even June's prices, we're gonna be the cheapest in the country for this size sheet. So it's really gonna be crazy. So yeah, guys, just wanted to say that. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Go subscribe to flashcustomtransfers.com. Go subscribe Go subscribe to Flash Custom Transfers on YouTube. Go subscribe, go subscribe, go subscribe. Like I said, that channel was demonetized because we put the same videos on both and YouTube doesn't like that. So now we have to work our viewing hours back up on that channel. That's our channel. And the people are here to do something to the house. So
the fence.
The fence people are here. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Anything you wanna say, babe?
No, we appreciate all the support. We appreciate all of the support.
Baby, you are not getting me. What are you doing? Come on. Just go. Just
No, I want you to be in it with me.
No, I want you to be in it with me. Just stop.
We appreciate all of the support from everyone. Thank you so much. And we are continuing to bring you new and improved products at quality, low prices.
Hopefully this is getting me. All right, guys, be basic.